Hey guys, it's Cailey. What up? This whole video did not go as planned as I thought it would be because I ended up getting ready super late and I wanted to show you guys how I got ready, but anyways, that's not going to work out. But I want to show you guys my outfit, so let me set this up. Hold on. Okay, wait, we're crooked. I'm like so embarrassed to be like filming right now because I am actually at a Soonhari Influencer Party or Soju. I know I ever say that wrong, so sorry guys. But yeah, so we have like this little blazer from Shein and this red purse from Shein as well. And then my top is from Pretty Little Thing. It's actually a bodysuit and it crosses over, but it's pretty chilly, so we're probably gonna keep this on. And then just some basic like black heels. But I need to show you guys around. This hotel is so cute. And they have a little backdrop, but someone's taking photos there right now, so like. Okay, so I don't know if this video is gonna be a lot of me talking because it's gonna be about me like eating and getting some soju. But I'm gonna try my best, and it's pretty loud and the lighting's not so good unless I come to the corner over here. But I would just do some little BTS so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a drink now, so let's go. Hey guys, it's voiceover Cailey. What up? Okay, so here I'm just tasting the drink they made from the Soonhari. The first one I'm drinking here is their take on a mojito. This is actually the first time I've ever had a mojito, so this was fun to try. It was super sour, but I liked it. It was really good. Okay, so the second one really caught my eye because it's pink. But okay, so this one is the Cosmopolitan, which was very yummy. Loved it. And then here we are tasting the blue Honolulu, but it's not blue because they ran out of the blue Curacao. Oh my god, how do you say that? Anyways, they ran out of that, but it was still very beautiful. But it wasn't my favorite, honestly. I don't even like pineapple, that's why. And lastly here we have the Grapefruit Mimosa, so gorgeous, which oh my gosh was so delicious. Oh my god, delicious. I can't. Okay, back to the video. They have the most yummiest looking burger ever, but sadly I cannot eat it. Look how cute! Surprise! But luckily they have these really yummy cauliflower thingies. I probably still can't eat them, but they're like buffalo and Hey you guys, what's up? Okay, so it's been a couple of days since the Soonhari party, like social media event, and I wanted to show you guys what they gave us. Oh my goodness. They gave us little goodie bags, so I thought I'd share with y'all what they gave us. So I have two because I invited Christian. You guys know him. He's my photographer and of course my boyfriend, and here's Shmoov. You want to see what we got? I don't think there's anything in here for you, but yeah, so one of them is his and one of them's mine. I think they're pretty much the same thing, except I do see something that's like different colors, but like yeah, let's just open it. So here, you can have that one, okay? Have fun. So here's the first one. They actually were handing these out at the end. We kind of stayed a little bit past the time that the event was over, and one of the coordinators was like, had all these cups in his hand, and he was like, here, do you want one? And we're like, yeah. So this one I don't think was supposed to be in the bag, but he gave it to us at the end, which is so cute. It says Soonhari with like a little bottle. It's like, what are these called? Mason jars? A little handle. I love making my matchas in it, so I'm super excited for this. And then that's funny. Okay, here's the thing. They gave us Soonhari's, although I've never had this one. This is Chum. He gave us to us as well when he was passing out this cup. So yeah, but there was two different flavored Soonharis in here, and me and my friend drank them and we're making TikTok, so that's why they're not in here, but we still have this one. So I'm excited to try that too because I've never had that. Wait. Another cup. So let's put that aside. And let's see. Oh my god, these are so cute. They're little stickers. I am literally so obsessed with stickers. I cannot talk today, guys. I've had so much coffee. Just, yeah. When I was little, I used to have like a little sticker book, and I would like collect all the like Hello Kitty ones and stuff. This is so cute. I love it. So here they are. Adorable. Oh my god, the monkey. Okay. And we pulled this out earlier. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. I don't know. It kind of looks like a pencil holder, maybe? I don't know what this is. A stress ball? Do you know what this is? No? Okay, I didn't think so. Okay, so obviously you're supposed to do that. It doesn't come with like directions or anything. I don't know. It's cute. It says Soonhari, and there's like a hole in the top. I think you're supposed to put like a pencil or something in here. If you guys know what this is for, let me know, because I don't know. But it's cute. It's pink, so you're going on my desk. I just don't know what you are. But yeah, okay. And then this big old thing. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I don't know what it is. Let's open it. Alright. I literally just checked my camera because I was like, did I hit record? We're good though. Okay, you can go on the floor. What is this? Is this a bag? Oh my god, it is a bag! I always forget these in my car, but luckily I just like bring my groceries to the car and then like bag there. But this is so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for groceries. I'll probably use it to go to like the beach or like hang out with friends, and I'm like, oh my god, it's adorable. Look at the pattern. I love it. So cute. So we got a tote bag. Sorry, they're just opening my head. Okay, tote bag, and oh, these are pins. How cute. How do these like beauty bloggers do it? They go like this, right? They put anyways, so they're like the Soonhari flavors. So we have mango, peach, citron. How do you say that word? Citron. It's probably wrong. Strawberry, yogurt, and apple. I have never tried the apple. Or mango. I don't really like mango though, so I kind of just don't try it because I don't like mango. But like, so cute. I love it. Okay, we're not gonna open those because they're just pins, and yeah, but maybe I could put like on a bag or something. So cute. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's this little alcohol cleaning wipe. You always need these, stay safe, you know. But it's so cute, like it has Soonhari on it. It's so adorable. Okay. Also, by the way, this bag is so cute. I'm definitely using this for someone's birthday. I'm that person who always reuses like bags for presents. I mean, why would I buy another one if this one's perfectly fine? What is this? What is this? A bottle opener or a whistle? What? Does this come off? Oh, it's a light. That's what it is. Oh, stop. Wait, this is so cute. It says whatever. It's okay. So Cloud, I think, is 100% malt real beer. That's what it says on here. And then when you flash the light, I don't think I can show you because it's so bright in here. But like when you flash the light, it says Cloud. How cute. Love that. Put that in my car because I always lose things, and at night, you know, it would be perfect. And then we have me. This is when I put the cap when I was taking photos with the Soonhari bottles. So that was for me. Gifting myself in the future. And this thingy. What is this? Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. I love humidifiers. My god, look how cute. Thank you, Soonhari. I want to open it. Okay, it's just a humidifier, but like, okay, yeah, it's just like a white. There's a lot of things I might lose, so we're not gonna open it. You're so cute in the background. Yeah, it just looks like that basic humidifier. Yeah, so cute. Wait, does it change colors too? And it's rainbow like up top. Let's see, like right here. And it says Soonhari. Oh my goodness, how adorable. I love it. Okay, so this one most likely has the same thing, but I want to see if the stickers are the same. Okay, yeah, stickers are the same. And pins the same. We have this like ball thingy. We still don't know what it is for. Another humidifier. 2 drinks. So they gave us like actually Soonhari, like the ones that people really know of. At least I know of. But I drank the other one, which peach, I don't think I've actually had peach. I've had the yogurt one, the green apple, and strawberry, which I love strawberry. So cool. I'm gonna try the peach. And then we have another one of these chumchurum. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I'm really excited to try this because I've never had it. So yeah, this bottle is beautiful. And oh wait, look, this one has this. This is different. I don't know what this is. A keychain? Lame. I'm stealing this from Christian. Oh, it's just a light. So this one says Milkus. Milkies? Milkus? I don't know how to say this either, but it's adorable. And yeah, it does the same thing. It says Milkus when you put the light. It's just like a little flashlight. Adorable. And this is in white, but it's like the tote bag. Let's see. Honestly, this white one is cuter. Although I just really like white, so. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's like another tote bag, which this one is so cute. Honestly, I could just like walk around with this in this outfit. I'm literally just wearing a white shirt and some baggy pants, but this is adorable. This makes me want to go to like the, what are they called? Oh my gosh. Farmer's market. I was like, you know where they have things in the parking lots or at parks and they have like fruit? That would have been the worst explanation. But yeah, these make me want to go to the farmer's market and get like fresh fruit and stuff. I'm so doing that. I'm starting that. That's a new thing this year. But yeah, so that's everything they gave us, plus an amazing party. It was so fun. And I had too many Soonharis because I wanted to try other drinks. So I hope you really enjoyed this video on me just taking you to a little influencer party. If you want any more of these, let me know. I could totally vlog more of the things I do behind the scenes that I don't really show you guys. And don't forget to follow me on my other platforms, my Instagram, my TikTok, you know the rest. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.